What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Beginners Club. Today I'll be showing you a very easy card trick. Even if you've never picked up a card before, you'll be able to do it. If anyone wants to click that red button below to subscribe or like, be greatly appreciated. We're just getting started out here, and anything will help us with this YouTube algorithm. Get our name out there. And with all that, let's begin. So first I'm going to show you the trick, and then I'll show you how to do the trick. So we begin by shuffling. So say you pick a card and your card's a 9. As you can see here, we'll put her on top of the deck. Just like so. Then I'm going to split the deck. As you can see, even split it again. Now your card's somewhere lost in the middle here. Grab this first card. It's 5 of diamonds, not our card. Toss the top card down. Just a quick snap. What is it? It's your card. Alright, let me show you how to do this. So you're first going to want to shuffle it. Show there's nothing suspicious here. You know how people get. Like, I know how you did that, but you didn't. Right? Let them pick a card, any card. Say that's the card they pick. We're going to take that card. Toss her right on top of that pile there, bud. Then we're going to split the deck. But we're going to keep her pinky slid in the back. Because from the angle, you can't really tell that it's in there. You can't at all, actually, if you do it right. Right? See how that is? Easy split. It's really wide right now. It's not usually that wide, but you hold it like so, and then you split the deck again, saying that the card's somewhere getting lost in the middle now. And they're like, damn, I wonder where that card is. And you're like, hey, so now your card's somewhere lost in the middle, but it's on top, really. And the second one's a 6 of diamonds. So we're going to want to kind of put those two together to make it look like one card. And we're going to do the same pinky thing on the back there. So when we pick up the top card, it's a 6 of diamonds, but behind that is the card. We're going to slide it down. Now they think it's a 6 of diamonds underneath my hand. Give her a snap. Boom. It's their card. What do you know? There's the other card. Tricky, eh? Go show your friends. Tell them about the video. They want to know how.